Children mired in poor conditions are left with little or no opportunities to improve their future. But good education secures the hopes and dreams of families who aspire for a quality life. The IHU Foundation seeks to bring appropriate education to those who cannot afford it.
IHU vision is to make the Filipinos, especially the poor communities, elevate them from poverty through proper education training. Me and a group of friends were discussing matters on how we can help the Filipino poor communities. We decided to bring education to the community. That's where the mobile education comes into being. The reasons that we chose Bulacan is that most of our members came from Bulacan. We have business operating in the Bulacan area.
The IHU organization was formed in early 2003 to push for social progress and ameliorate poverty. Alfredo Junicio had to make ends meet after being forced to take care of his siblings all on his own.
Dumating yung problema namin nung first year ako. Nawala yung mother ko kasi sa high blood. Parang nung una inisip ko, panaginip lang to, tapos bukas magigising na, buhay na siya. Si tatay nung time na yon, puro alak lang, ganyan. Puro babae, tapos kami lang yung nasa bahay. Parang limited lang din yung kinakain namin kasi sa isang araw bibigyan ka ng perang ganyan, pagkakasyahin mo. Hindi ka na pwedeng magmerienda basta umaga, tanghalian, tapos hapunan. Dumadating yung birthday namin, dadaan lang yung araw na wala lang. Wala lang, birthday na. Para makalimutan na lang yung problema, gumagala na lang, pumupunta dun sa bahay ng barkada, ganyan. Nung nakapag-aral na ako dun sa IHU, yun, medyo naging mabait na po ako.
But Alfred persevered, and a door opened for him, an opening that would be the stepping stone to his future.
我们在我们这个爱护基金会，就是说我们弄了一个这个活动的货柜这个电脑车，是又帮忙我们这个乡村贫困的孩子能有这个机会去学习电脑，教他们一些做人处事方面的一些事情让他们学了电脑以后，能在地方上有一个贡献，不是说学了电脑再来利用电脑来做一些坏的事情这样子所以我们最主要还是有对于我们这个学生有教导这个爱与护，就是 love and care 这样子
IHU Foundation set up a mobile education program that initially offered computer literacy courses. This is called the Van Aralan, which means education on wheels.
Priority po talaga ng Van Aralan, yung mga out-of-school youth. Depende rin po doon sa pangangailangan ng mga lugar. Tumatanggap din po kami ng ganang estudyante, municipal employee, out-of-school youth.
The Van Aralans have turned into a cycle of hope. Alfred is now a devoted IHU volunteer. He is now passing on the skills that he once learned from his IHU teachers.
Tinuturo din dito yung values formation, kung saan tinuturo ko paano wastong pag-uugali. Kasi mahirap naman na ituro lang namin yung pagko-computer, tapos kung hindi naman maganda yung ugali nila, syempre, parang baliwala rin po, hindi rin natin magagamit yun.
For many of these students, the Van Aralan has stood for more than just additional education. Vivencio Torres, more than most people, has gone through a very dark and difficult past. He is a recovering drug dependent and has mixed with people that have gotten him into legal troubles. Vivencio rose from the difficulties. He enrolled in Van Aralan at the age of 45. Vivencio's determination saw results. He is now all set for a career in Dubai. Students spend 2.5 hours every day for 3 weeks learning computer basics and operating the Microsoft Office programs.
Nakita ko kung paano gusto ng mga estudyante na humawak ng computer, konting appreciate mo sa trabaho nila, mas na-inspire sila.
The container vans are stationed in parking lots. Each Van Aralan is equipped with air conditioning units, desktops, and other computer accessories.
Since yun nga, nakita ko kung paano sila kadesidido, minsan pumapasok ako ng 7, tapos umuwi ako ng 6 ng hapon. Tapos pag Sunday, minsan gusto nila, so pupunta ako sa van.
Previous graduates can even add on to their skills and learn hardware maintenance, troubleshooting, and network management when the van visits again after a few months.
爱，我们这个爱护，爱是就是 love 爱就是我们就是去爱对每一个人每一个社会上每一个人，我们都是有一个爱心去爱他。护就是去照顾他这个 care 就是我们能在对每一位人有爱，要有一个照顾，就是爱护是爱护的由来是这样子所以我们就是说能弄一个爱护基金会，这爱护基金会教导每一个人，也就是说我们去要爱他，我们就要教导他，说我们有一个电脑的这个电脑这个流动车去每个乡镇去教导他们就是爱与护，就是我们也照顾到他们，让他们有一个正常的生活。
Teresa Buesa is a dedicated teacher.
Pag nakahimahirap pagdating sa van, yung physical na pagod. Pero naitutulog naman yun Sa emotional naman, yung pagiging malayo sa pamilya. Yung para kahit masaya maghapon, yung parang pagkagabi na, siyempre malayo ka sa pamilya mo. Iisipin mo na lang, ano na yung nangyayari sa kanila. Minsan merong may sakit, minsan ikaw naman yung may sakit, pero hindi mo sila kasama. Ikakasal na kasi ako. Hindi ko siya maasikaso, hindi ako makaalis. Kasi parang, oo, papayagan ako ng IHU, kung gusto ko na umalis, pwede naman sila mag-hire ng bago. Pero yung mission, na alam kong parang kailangan pa, may magagawa pa ako. Yun ang pinakamahirap kasi kailangan ko na rin sumama sa asawa ko, diba? Hindi na pwedeng pag nag-asawa kayong pupunta kayo sa mga area, doon ka titira. Pero lagi ko na lang iniisip na sa pamilya ko, isang pamilya lang yung naiiwan ko. Pero pag nandito ako sa Van Aralan, mas maraming pamilya yung natutulungan.
IHU is Mandarin for love and care, and these values are imbibed in each student. As IHU teaches people like Teresa and Alfred these values, they pass on the love and care to others.
Ibang estudyante sa San Miguel, mga elementary student, nung natapos sila, gumawa sila ng organization, tapos sila na rin yung nagtuturo din sa sarili nilang paaralan.
IHU strives to teach skills to those who need it most. The Technical Education and Skills Development Authority, or TESDA, has been monitoring the fruitful progress of the organization.
Nakita namin na ito pala yung way na pwede nating ma-reach out yung ating mga unfortunate na mga kababayan sa mga rural areas. Kaya kahit hindi sila makapasok formally sa formal school, through yung ating computer van aralan, so makakakuha sila ng skills. At pag nakatapos sila dyan, definitely pwede silang mag-apply ng trabaho or pwede silang maggawa ng mga self-employment activities.
Nakita ng mga taga-Bulacan na kailangan pala din natin ang tulong ng mga ganitong organisasyon. Pag natulungan mo ang mamamayan kasi, lalo na sa pangkabuhayan, gagaan at maitataas ang antas ng kabuhayan.
Kung gusto mo talagang makatulong, hindi mo siya bibigyan lang ng tinapay. Tuturuan mo siya. No? Tulad ng isang namimingwit na tinuturuan mo mamingwit ng isda, hindi mo bibigyan ng isda dahil kain lang yun, ubos. Tuturuan mo siyang mamingwit para uubra siyang mamingwit ng kakainin niya sa lahat ng panahon.
Following the success of the computer-equipped vans, IHU plans to set up more mobile schools covering various industries and going around more provinces. The Mobile Kitchen Program, in cooperation with the Culinary Education Foundation, aims to impart hotel and restaurant skills to those who want to get into this business. The IHU Foundation is also planning to set up additional vocational courses.
I think it has already serviced about more than 3,000 youths today in Bulacan. Kung saan may gustong matuto, doon sila. Dala-dala nila yung kanilang mga computers, dala-dala nila yung kanilang trainers. Kaya maging sa dulong-dulong na yun ng ating lalawigan, nabubuksan itong oportunidad na ito sa information technology. If I was given a wish, sana marami pang tumulong sa IHU Foundation para marami pa silang matulungan.
IHU Foundation has infused hope and energy into various communities. It has inspired families and leaders to operate and work in concerted effort. The big dream is to spread love and care all over the country. and with your help, join the dream and help us pave the way.
Na-prove ko sa sarili ko na kaya ko rin po palang magturo. Ginawa nila akong isang teacher.
Sayang yung maganda nating pinag-aralan. Sayang yung magandang pagpapalaki sa atin ng magulang natin kung tayo lang yung makikinabang.